Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna see how even you can get the watch faces from the international collection for your Apple Watch. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. So in order to get the watch faces without spending $49 on the limited edition bands from the international collection, you need to head over to Apple's official website. From there, go to the watch section. Once you're on this page, just scroll down until you see the tab that says International Collection. Click on See the Countries to explore the list. As a result, you'll be able to see the list of all 22 countries with their respective flag and the name that are a part of the international collection. To download the watch face, the very first step that you have to do is select the flag that you would like to set as a watch face. Once selected, scroll down and tap on Add to Apple Watch. Following which, the watch face will load into the watch app on your iPhone. And lastly, click on Add Watch Face. And doing that will add the watch face to the Apple Watch. One interesting thing about these watch faces is that once you have added them to the watch app, you can customize the way you want it to look. For instance, you can change the style of the watch face, change the color of the stripes, and also add complications to the watch face, which is indeed pretty cool. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.